Hey guys, you ever cruising across Gunbroker late at night, just cruising around, looking for odd stuff that you normally don't look at, and come across an auction with a view counter on it, and you see that you're the first or second person on it? That's exactly what happened with this auction right here. I was cruising through Gunbroker, come across an auction that said it was only listed as Russian pistol parts, which caught my attention. So I clicked on it. The description said, Russian pistol parts from my late husband's collection. Buy it now, 120 bucks. Well, considering the fact I got a bunch of M1895s, I said, okay, I could use the parts. I could see a frame. The only picture they had was like a picture of this bag. There was nothing real definitive. I could see a cylinder, a frame, a subframe, some grips, and some internals. Definitely worth 120 bucks, hit 120 bucks. The person took Zelle, hit them with their Zelle at midnight. And a few days later, it shows up. I throw it in my parts bin. It sits there 6-8 months. I needed some parts, pulled it out. And when I started looking at it, I was like, this is not Russian pistol parts. So let's take it out of the bag and see what we got here. Looking at the frame, you immediately know it's not Russian. I mean, it has Brevet Nagant 7828 on it and an N with the crown. It has a Russian looking front sight on it, and looking at the bore, I thought, wow, that bore looks a little off, so I measured it at 7.5. I know what you're thinking, 7.5 Swiss Nagant, no big deal. No, it's not a Swiss Nagant. Swiss Nagants have these square front sight, and also by 7828, all Swiss Nagants were made by Husqvarna and stamped as so. Only serial numbers 2602 and below were made by Brevet Nagant for the Swiss. So this is definitely not a Swiss, and it is absolutely not Russian. Let's look at the rest of the parts in the bag. Pulling out the subframe is numbers matching, 7828. Grips they look a little bigger. They are also matching, 7828. They're larger than standard M1895 grips. The cylinder, it's been high-speed buffed as the frame. This frame has been high-speed buffed. Every part of this gun has been high-speed buffed, including the internals. But all of the markings are still crisp and clear. Not sure what they were going to do with it. Cylinder's marked 7828. It's in great shape. Let's just dump the rest of the parts out and look at them. The hammer, numbers matching. Spring looks to be really solid. Trigger, number matching. Well, bottom line, this is a numbers matching gun. Wow, even a faint 7828 on the mainspring. Looks like it's complete, man. Loading gate, numbers matching. Cylinder pin, same thing, numbers matching. All the screws, parts, doesn't look like anything's missing other than the lanyard ring, which is no big deal. I got quite a few of those I could drop in there. So an incredible find. I'm gonna make this video I'm gonna make 2 videos off this. This was just to show you what I'd gotten for 120 bucks off of a crazy gunbroker buy. This is insane. What this turns out to be is an M1893 very rare Norwegian Brevet Nagant. They made less than 9,000 of these. These are pretty rare to find. I don't know why it was put up there, but I'm glad it was. Just lucky enough to come across it. So I'm going to put it together in the next video. Hey, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like. It really helps me out with the algorithms. I realize I'm not as professional as some of the big guys, but I'm trying. Anything helps. Thank you very much.